up, guys? Happy St. Patrick's Day, and it is Sunday. Let's get into it and dive down to the Forex analysis here. So, I already sent out the weekly swing signals already on Telegram. We are buying the US dollar for this week, so I'm expecting the US dollar to hit 104, and then we'll see if it breaks above 105 for this week. Probably going to be coming into a lot of consolidation, and so I'm just going to go back and highlight some of this right here, as you guys can see. Oh, it's my thing at. So let me edit this. Uh, Probably looking to see what's gonna happen between this zone structure here, from 102 to 104. Not for sure if it's gonna break above 105 at this point. So it would have to be seeing a solid uptrend here. So same setup back. There's a lot of zoning here. So back previously here, and then now it's repeating almost the same thing what it did back here. So keep in mind of where the consolidation phase is going to be, and that we are in the midweek of March, so things might end up just slowing down. And I don't expect too much to be crazy for taxing until towards the end of the month and beginning week of April, and we'll see how that all plays out. I want to go back and see. I believe we do have something for Wednesday, so let me go back. Yes, clear all drawings. I want to be able to go back here. So what we have going on for this week, we have Japan's policy rate, that's not changing. We have Australia's cash rate statement, that's not changing. Japan's got a bank holiday on Tuesday. The FOMC is gonna be the big one for Wednesday at 1 p.m. This is at 1 p.m. Central Time. If you're in Eastern, New York time would be 2 p.m. for you guys. And then if it's 1 p.m. for me, it would be, let's see, 11 a.m. Pacific time for those guys on the West Coast. So Wednesday's gonna be a big day to see what's gonna happen with the press conference. Me personally, I don't foresee them changing the rates at all, whether it be going down or up for this week. They've been talking about rate cuts, but I don't foresee them cutting rates for this quarter. Let's see here, Thursday. So got a lot of heavy red news here. Thursday we have the what's it, official bank rate for the pound. Not oh, Powell is speaking right in the morning of Friday morning here. Okay. So a lot of fundamentals are gonna come into play starting tomorrow. So wouldn't be surprised if New York sessions or even London sessions end up being really volatile, starting early in the morning here in the United States. Because London sessions open around 2 in the morning for me, Central Time. So pay close attention what's gonna happen during London sessions. Other than that, let's go back to the weekly swing signals here. Buying the US dollar for this week. We are selling all the indices back down. I'm expecting US 30 to come back down to break 38,000, and then selling S&P 500 back down to 5,000, and then selling NASDAQ back down to 17,000. So that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a negative turnout and a negative move going back down for all the indices. Selling gold. Gold is starting to trickle itself back down here. A high, it almost hit 2,200. Looking for the price to come back down to back down close to 2,100. That would be like the final take profit. So I'm breaking it down with every $10 here. So 2040, 2030, 2020, and then 2010, and then breaking, I mean, yeah, 21.40, 21.30, 21.20, 21.10. So I'm breaking it down every $10 in value of what I'm going to be taking profit off for gold here. Buying UJ, looking for UJ to come back to resistance of the 150 to 151, 151.9. So we'll be buying for that one. I'm looking for it to break this price and see if it'll probably target above 152 by the end of the week here. And then for US dollar Swiss franc, buying it for it to break above this consolidation here, back to 89, and then the next one will be 90. And then buying UK. UK is going to be pretty tricky. There's so much resistance at 136. This is not a pair that I would hold long term. Probably do a lot more short term trading and scalping on this pair itself. So I would target 136, and that's as high as I'm gonna go because every time it's target 136, it's been shot down many times. So if you look at the previous weekly candles, it has not gone above to sustain above 136 at the price mark here. Let's see. We're buying the Euro British pound here for 86. And then the next move would be to break 86 back to 87. And then we're selling the euro to the dollar here back to 108. And then the next move would be to break 107. And then selling the pound back down to 127. And then to break 127 back down to 126. And then selling the Australian dollar back down to 65, and then break 65 to 64, and then selling New Zealand dollar back down to 60, and then break below 60 back down to 59. So other than that, that's all I got for you guys for the weekly swing signals analysis. Check your economic calendar. Now, obviously, what I'm showing you guys is Forex Factory. I use the MyFXbook Economic Calendar mobile app on my smartphone. So take a look into that. Every time I send you guys screenshots, it's always MyFXbook Economic Calendar. So check your time zones and make sure that you guys don't miss out on these fundamental news that are coming out here, especially for Wednesday. Wednesday's going to be a big day here, so especially for New York sessions. And then other than that, that's all I got for you guys for the analysis and weekly swing signals. Let me know in the Telegram chat group if there's any questions or concerns. Other than that, you guys have fun for St. Patrick's Day and happy Sunday fun day. And I'll see you guys in the chat group. Peace out. All right, guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day. It is Sunday. Let's get into it here. Let me talk to you guys about what we're doing for crypto. So I was selling crypto since Friday. It is trying to retrace back up for the morning here. Bitcoin's trying to come back up to what, 68 right now. But I've been selling crypto since Friday. I've been sending you guys screenshots of what I've been selling, so can't miss it. I'm still holding on to my sell positions to see what's going to happen for tomorrow morning. So I don't plan on changing any positions until tomorrow morning and see what's going to go from there. But they're trying to retrace back up. Ethereum's trying to go back to 37. Stuck at 3,600 right now. Looking for Litecoin to come back down to 80. It's trying to retrace back up to 85. Shiba fell pretty hard here. Shiba went all the way down to the 2332 price off the wick here. And it's trying to maintain its price here at the 0287. Doge fell back down. Dogecoin is back at 15 cents. Trying to make a retracement back up from 13 here. So I'm looking for a move back down to 13. And then selling Ripple. Let's see, Ripple's trying to hit 62 cents here. Let's see. I'm looking for Ripple to come back down to 60 cents. And then we'll see what's going to happen from there. Let's see, selling Neo. Major move back down to 14. I'm expecting this move to go back down again after the retracement is done. So I don't plan on buying any crypto at all. So looking for it to short it back down, and then we'll see if it tries to do one more big move before summer kicks off. So one more month of tax season, and that's it. Solana is still on the go here. Solana has not given up its gains. And so probably one of the very few coins that has not given up its gains. So this is probably one of the best coins to invest right now. If not, one of the very best coins to invest heavily. Let's see here. Zcash is at right under $30 in value. After retracement is done, I'm still looking for it to push it back down to 28 and 27. And then finally, Tezos, looking for Tezos to finish off the retracement here at 133, and then looking forward for it to go back down to 122 here. Other than that, I don't plan on switching out positions. Looking forward to short and sell all cryptocurrencies. Solana is probably the only one of very few coins that's going to be very tough to sell off here. This is my personal opinion. This is probably one of the very few coins that has withstand a lot of downside. So, like I said, yeah, threshold right now for Bitcoin is to break above 73,000 and go for 100,000. That's all I'm expecting. If not, then if this is gonna be the highest price of the year, then I would suggest that it's probably gonna create more resistance here and then send it back down. But it's too soon. We're still in the month of March, midweek of March. So other than that, like I said, just wait until tomorrow and see what happens from there. And any questions in concerns or regarding the analysis or the signals, let me know in the chat group or Telegram. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day, happy Sunday Fun Day, and I'll see you guys in the Telegram chat group. Peace out.